You see the lights, Jay?
Yeah. Oh, I see the light. Look. See it.
Oh, and I hear it. Whoa.
What's the train say?
Jay, what does what's the train say?
Oh.
What's the train say, Jay?
It says, I'm coming.
The train says, I'm coming. We found the train. It came a little late today. It's about 10 of 2. We're train chasers here in Morristown, Mount Laurel.
See the lights now.
Yeah. Okay, here comes a car, so we're going to back up. Oh, it's at the next light. See? Here comes the train, Jay. Oh, the car's crossing the tracks. Comes the train.
Yeah. Comes one.
Nice and slow. Here comes another car. Oh, he's loud. He says, hello. You like the train, Jay, huh? Yeah, you like your train videos?
Careful across because the train's coming.
Train's coming, Jay. Whoa.
Yeah.
When we hear the ding, 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 we're going to step away a little, okay?
He's like, okay, when do you think the lights are going to start to flash?
When do you think the lights are going to start to flash? When do you think? When do you think the lights will flash?
He's like, it's a slow train.
It's a slow train, huh?
Train.
Tells me what to say. Yeah. It's a slow train, huh? Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, how about this? We'll sidetrack just for a little and talk about something else. When's your birthday, Jay?
On August 21.
Yeah, and what's today? Today's August 11th or 12th. Today's August 12th, so your birthday's coming, like, almost next week. How old are you going to be, Jay?
Oh, there it goes. Ding, 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 ding.
How old are you going to be, Jay? Dinger? Think you'll still like trains when you're how old?
I do.
How old, Jay? 4? You think you'll still like trains when you're 4? Or are you too mature?
Here he comes.
Are you too mature for when you're 4? Hello. Is he long? Oh, he looks a little low. It's a train. Boxcar. Whoa, this is a long train, Jay. Whoa. Boxcar. Wow, whistle, Jay. This is a long train. Logs. Ah, where's the caboose? Hey! Hey! When's the lights gonna flash? Stop flashing, Jay. Bye, train. Bye, lights. What did you think of the train, Jay?
He's like, what sound does the train make?
Jay, what sounds does the train make?
It goes.
What sound do the bells make? And so how old are you going to be next week?
4.
4. He's going to be 4. Are you still going to like trains when you're 4?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to call Daddy back and tell him that I saw that train.
I have another question for you. What are you going to get rid of when you're 4?
Binky.
Yeah! Alright, say goodbye. And we'll watch you on video.